Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about sorting technique. By using the order by, we can make it as a sorting of data rows. The order by clause will have a facility and the keywords of ascending order ASC and the descending order DESC. These are the keywords by using in Microsoft SQL Server. We can get the data as our wish to either ascending order or descending order of the data row result set. And by default, if we've written by making the without order by, the clause of the result set will comes automatically in ascending order. And I will see the based on the ascending and descending order of the filtering like a sorting of the data rows, we can use the name of the column, which column based on the data to be filtered, like a making it in a sorting. How it is, we'll see now. Like a basic idea and the syntax how it can be formed in using of what I can say that order by statement with the select statement by using the order by it would be like see here select what I can write here like a column COL column 1 comma column 2 from what I have to write here which table I'm getting the data, right? Table name, the basic idea I'm preparing for here. And from the table name, now order by, we have to like write like this, order by, and which column we are making is in a order by, like first column or last column or whatever. The first name, if it is in the first name is in a column name, or else you can take it as in a column 1. This is the column 1, and we can specify whether it is in ASC condition or ESC. Likewise, we can apply and make it as a comma and call 2. And similarly, we can write here like a ASC, like ascending order, or DESC, descending order. Such way, we can write the query statement. This is the order by, while applying for whether this column, which one you require, and this column, which one you require. Likewise, you can specify the number of columns based on the sorting technique. If you want to use which column you want to make it as in a such way, you can apply here. I will show you in a real-time example how it would be. All right. Now see here, select star from sales dot customers. This is the accurately, as you know, all the most of the examples we are using this table name. Now see here, advancedly, what I can do here, first underscore name, I can write and I can execute query statement. Like second also, I can take it like a last underscore name. Just see here. This is the way it is coming. I don't know which order it is. Like C D is letter alphabet. It started here. K it is started. Some letters. It's based on ID. It is going to be filtering now. Now see when I'm applying order by with first name, first underscore name. Now let's see here how it is. See here the change of the query output. It is the result set. Here only you can filter it as your wish. Have you seen? All the data rows are ascending order, it is filtered. By defaultly, the SQL query statement, if you have a written order by clause here and specifying the name of the column, which column to be impact for this, it will be like this. Okay. And here also you can specify the keywords as we discussed right now, like say ASC. If I specified strictly, like it will be in a ascending order. If I don't want to show you like a ascending order, DESC, I can specify here, and it would be the query should be it's in a descending order. It will be like this. Z is the first row, and the rest of the written vice versa. It will be goes like this. This is all about to know about the order by column. While not only And the most of the important, very important point you would like to know is previous lectures you have observed everything like applying the where clause, and where clause which is a filtering the data rows. Along with that where clause, also you can specify order by at the end of the statement. Based on where clause you are filtering the data rows, and if you want to make it as an ascending order or descending order based on the result set, there you can make it as an order by clause, and which column you want to filter like names, or it may be the IDs or email IDs, which one you want to make it as an order. Based on that column name, you specify the name like order by clause and following of the name of the column, and make it as an ASC, the keyword, which one based on your requirement you can specify over here that keyword. If it is an ASC, you need not to specify the keyword as well. And why it is coming, and why if I am mentioning ASC or if I am not mentioning ASC, it is by default it is coming some like what I can say that ascending order. In such a way, some of the programming languages which are other than Microsoft technologies, if you they are the using like a Microsoft database server as a backend database storage engine. So such time they have to specify strictly like the ASC and DESC. Otherwise, the result set may affect, and it won't be like making as an ascending order and descending order. But what you have to point out very clearly. Hopefully, you have an understand about the using and applying for the order by clause in select statement, and most of the queries from previous lectures also you can, it is a select statement, you can add the order by clause there itself also. Whereas in upcoming sessions like I like in operator usage between all the queries, like a group statements will come from the coming upcoming sessions. All the statements also you can apply order by class, and you have to practice in your own way. The queries, multiple queries in multiple ways you have to practice to have in a good command. What is how it is executing, how the result is fetching based on my criteria. All you have to focus into be prepared for fetching the data and make a more productivity queries. As much simple, if you have a prepared a query using query window, a simple query statement you take here and make it as a functionality of your application. It may be which language you are choosing. It may be Java or PHP or Microsoft SQL like ASP.NET C# language, wherever this query you want to place there and execute there itself. That's it. The result set, what you have seen here in the result set, you will get all the result set in your application. For all the from front end to back end, this is the database you want to approach by making an application database connectivity based on the application software development application language like ASP.NET, Java, PHP, or Oracle, anything based on the application. You have to establish the database connection established with Microsoft SQL Server. Hence, once the connection is established, if you write a queries and executing from the application, what you are getting the data in here query window, all the same the result set impacting will be at available you at application server. Hopefully, you have a good idea about it. In our next lecture, we'll see about one more operator of limit. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.